Indulge in luxurious comfort with Shine Women's Fuzzy Slippers. Featuring a crossband design and plush memory foam, these house slippers provide unparalleled coziness for your feet. The open-toe style offers breathability, while the soft fuzzy fabric keeps your feet warm and toasty. Whether you're lounging around the house or running errands, these slippers offer the perfect blend of style and comfort. Treat yourself to the ultimate relaxation experience with Shine Women's Fuzzy Slippers and step into a world of pure bliss. Butterfly candle gift for women, a thoughtful and unique present perfect for birthdays, new jobs, anniversaries, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and more. This beautiful candle features a stunning butterfly design that adds a touch of elegance to any space. Handcrafted with care, it emits a warm and inviting fragrance that fills the room with comfort and joy. Whether it's for a friend, family member, or colleague, this candle is sure to make a lasting impression and show how much you care. Give the gift of relaxation and serenity with the butterfly candle gift for women and bring a smile to their face on any occasion. Indulge in the ultimate self-care experience with the Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. This luxurious set is the perfect gift for anyone in need of relaxation and stress relief. Each steamer is infused with invigorating essential oils that create a soothing and aromatic steam when placed in the shower. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or start your morning off on the right foot, these shower steamers will transform your shower routine into a spa-like experience. Treat yourself or a loved one to the gift of relaxation with the Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself and promote overall well-being. Discover the perfect blend of style and personalization with the TOP Design Embroidery Initial Canvas Tote Bag. This elegant tote, featuring a beautifully embroidered initial, makes for an ideal gift for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful present for a wedding, birthday, beach trip, or holiday, this tote bag is sure to impress. Crafted from high-quality canvas, the tote bag is durable and versatile, suitable for everyday use. It's spacious enough to carry all your essentials, making it a practical accessory for women, moms, teachers, friends, and bridesmaids alike. The personalized touch of an embroidered initial adds a unique charm, making each bag special and tailored to the recipient. With its stylish design and functional features, the TOP Design Embroidery Initial Canvas Tote Bag is more than just a bag, it's a statement piece that reflects personal style and thoughtfulness. Whether for a special event or everyday use, this tote bag is a great addition to any wardrobe. Choose it to make your gift-giving memorable and heartfelt. Introducing the Stanley Ice Flow Stainless Steel Tumbler with Straw, your perfect hydration companion. This vacuum-insulated water bottle keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours and hot for up to 6 hours. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a leak-resistant flip straw, ensuring spill-free convenience. Ideal for home, office, or travel, this tumbler is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Its ergonomic design fits most car cup holders, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Choose the Stanley Ice Flow Tumbler for a reliable, eco-friendly, and stylish way to stay hydrated. Elevate your style with the 9 West Women's Crystal Accented Bracelet Watch. This elegant timepiece features a sleek bracelet adorned with shimmering crystals, adding a touch of glamour to any outfit. The round dial is easy to read, and the reliable quartz movement ensures precise timekeeping. Perfect for any occasion, this watch combines functionality with fashion, making it a timeless accessory that adds sparkle to any wrist. Embrace sophistication and shine with this stunning watch. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.